Hi friends, this video shows how to print the character value of a particular ASCII value. First of all, we have to enter the ASCII value. ASCII equal to input, enter ASCII value. Then for printing the ASCII value, printing the character value of a ASCII value, we have to use the function chr. Print ASCII character value is CHR of ASC. Okay, by executing this code, we have to enter a ASCII value 67, which is the ASCII value of C. ASC's character value is CHR of ASC. Okay, here we have to perform the typecast int to convert this value to integer. Okay, by executing this code we get 67. 67's character value is C. If you re-execute this code by entering another ASCII value, 101's character value is E. Thanks for watching this video.